Chapter number 1, The Living World. Ernst Mayr, the Darwin of the 20th century, pioneered the currently accepted definition of a biological species. Growth. All living organisms grow. Growth is increase in cell number and increase in cell mass. Plants. Growth is indefinite in plants. Animals. Growth is seen up to certain age. Cell replacement continue. Unicellular organism grow by cell division. Non-living like mountains, boulders and sand mounds do grow. So growth cannot be considered as a defining feature of living organism in majority of higher animals and plants. Growth and reproduction are mutually exclusive events. In single-cell organism, growth and reproduction is mutually inclusive event. Reproduction. Living organisms can reproduce unicellular organism like bacteria, unicellular algae or amoeba. Reproduction is synonymous with growth, like increases in number of cells. There are many organisms which do not reproduce like mules, sterile worker bees, infertile human couples, etc. Hence reproduction cannot be considered as defining characteristic of living organisms. Metabolism means conversion of one chemical to another. All plants, animals, fungi and microbes exhibit metabolism. Metabolic reactions can be demonstrated outside the body in cell-free systems known as in vitro. Metabolic reaction can occur in living condition like inside cell, tissue and organs, and in non-living condition as in vitro or in test tube. Metabolic reaction inside cell is a defining feature and hence cellular organization is a defining feature. It is the response of organism to surrounding. All organisms therefore are aware of their surroundings. Consciousness therefore becomes the defining property of living organisms. Patient lying in coma is living or non-living? Though patient lying in coma has lost consciousness, still considered as living because metabolic reactions are present. For plants, scientific names are provided in International Code for Botanical Nomenclature ICBN. For animals, scientific names are provided in International Code for Zoological Nomenclature ICZN. Each scientific name has two components, the generic name and the specific epithet. This naming system is given by Carolus Linnaeus. Universal rules of nomenclature. Biological names are generally in Latin and written in italics. They are Latinized or derived from Latin irrespective of their origin.